Very most welcome to the PN study group. This group will provide you all the knowledgeous facts that are required for your development. Myself Rohit Pratap Singh, it's my introduction. And today we will discuss about the branch of science that is biology. It is also known as the subject of life. Okay. Now first of all we will deal what is biology. It's very important for us that we can say that what's biology, what does this mean, मतलब क्या होता है इसका। ठीक है, तो इसे हम कह सकते हैं कि अभी हमने बोला इसे कि इट इज द ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस विच डील्स विथ लाइफ। हमारी जिंदगी हमारे जीवन से इसका बहुत बड़ा नाता है, इसको ही ये अच्छे तरीके से डिफाइन करता है। सो हम इसे कह सकते हैं द ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस in which living beings are studied. It is the branch of science in which the living beings are studied. Living beings, what does the living beings means? Living beings are the things which have life, which possess life, जिसके पास जिंदगी होता है, उसके अध्ययन को हम बायोलॉजी बोलते हैं। We can also segregate this word bios. What does bios stands? Bios stands means life, and logos stands for its study. Bios stands for life and logos stands for study. It means we can say that this proves that the study of life is called biology. Here is a proof. This is a theoretical proof of biology that we can say that the study of life is called biology. Now it's time to discuss from where this word has been coined. कहां से इस शब्द का उत्थान हुआ, किसने इस शब्द को बनाया। तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट वी हैव टू डिस्कस। there were two peoples whose name was as Lamarck and Treviranus were the people who coined these words, who coined the word biology in 1801. These were the two peoples who coined this word biology in 1801. But they were the people who coined this word. They are not known as the father of the biology. इन्हें बायोलॉजी का जनक नहीं कहा जाता है, इन्होंने इस शब्द का उत्थान किया था केवल। ठीक है, नाउ वी विल डिस्कस who is known as the father of biology. As we know that it is the branch of science in which we deals about the life of the living organisms, but we know that there are living beings on the earth and they have been classified into two types. हम जानते हैं कि हमारे धरती पे जो जीवित प्राणी हैं उनको दो भागों में क्लासिफाई किया गया है। दे आर एज फॉलोज, दे आर प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स। They are plants and animals. So the aspect of their study are as follows. The first one will be different and the second one will be different. Okay, now we will come to the topic. As I told you right now that the living beings has been classified into two types. They are as follows. They are as plants and animals. So their study has been also classified. In biology there are two branches in which we deal about the plants and the animals. They are as follows. Like here, see everyone. Botany. It is the branch of biology, ठीक है, that will deal with the origination of plants. So we can say that study of different aspects of plants is known as botany. Okay, the study of different aspects of plants is known as botany. Okay, in this branch of biology, we only and only discuss about the types of plants, their origination, their function, their feature, how they reproduce, how they respirate, all their body functions, all their movement and locomotions are studied by the in this branch of biology. Okay, and now let's discuss who is known as the father of this branch of biology. Here is Theophrastus is known as the father of botany. Now it's time to discuss about the animals. अब जानवरों के बारे में हम देखते हैं कि ये भी, इनके पास भी अपना जिंदगी होता है, इनको भी डिवाइड किया गया है. देयर इज अ सोशल एनिमल. ह्यूमन बींग्स आर द सोशल एनिमल्स and the animals who reside or have their habitat in the forest, in the water, in the different aspect of life have been classified in the animals. As we know that there is a different branch, that is zoology. Zoology, now let's come to its definition. A study of different aspects of animals is known as zoology. Now it's time to discuss who is known as the father of this branch of biology. So there is a famous person whose name is Aristotle. Is known as the father of zoology. So these are the branches which deals with the different aspects of life that are presiding or that are surviving on our earth. So it was the overall introduction of this subject, the origination of this subject, who is known as the father of subject, its classification, what its works. So these all are the overall introductory of the biology. ये बायोलॉजी का पूरा एक लेखा जोखा है जो बताता है कि बायोलॉजी का वर्क क्या है, साइंस में इसका वर्क क्या है, क्लासिफिकेशन इसके क्या है, किस तरीके से ये वर्क करते हैं, ये आज हम लोगों ने देखा. सो इट्स ओवर हियर. So continue with the PN study group. You will also get some knowledgeous facts related to different subject in this group. So continue with us and also press the bell icon and subscribe on this group. Okay, thanks everyone.